Filling out a beneficial ownership information report. Begin by navigating to the FinCEN website and hitting the Get Started button under Beneficial Ownership Information Reporting. You'll get to choose from 3 options to file your BOI report, using a PDF, filing online, or through an application programming interface. Let's choose the PDF way. The information you'll have to submit is the same regardless of the filing method you decide on. Selecting File PDF BOIR allows you to download a PDF copy of the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. The first part of the report is titled Report, Preparation, and Submission Instructions. It has 6 buttons on the left that help you go through the preparation and submission. You'll see buttons labeled Instructions, Validate, Finalize, Save, Print, and Ready to File. To the right of each button, there is text that explains the purpose of the button. Clicking the Instructions button will bring up a PDF that explains the items on the BOI report form. You should refer to that PDF to ensure you submit accurate, complete information. The section on filing information asks for some basic data, such as whether the report is an initial report or one to update or correct an initial report. There's a box to tick for the option you choose. There's also a box for newly exempt entity, which is a company that no longer has to report its beneficial ownership information. You'll also be required to enter the company's legal name, the type of ID, EIN or Social Security number, the ID number, and the country or jurisdiction if the ID is not a U.S. ID. After that, it's time to start entering your beneficial ownership information. There are 3 parts. Part 1, reporting company information. Part 2, company applicant information. And Part 3, beneficial owner information. The information required in Part 1, reporting company information. Full legal name and alternate names, such as a DBA name. Form of identification. Jurisdiction of formation or first registration. And current U.S. address. There's a box to check if you want a FinCEN ID, another if your entity is a foreign pooled investment vehicle, and another still if your company was created or registered before January 1st of 2024. The information required in Part 2, company applicant information. FinCEN ID, full legal name and date of birth, current address, form of identification and issuing jurisdiction, and identifying document image. The information required in Part 3, beneficial owner information. Parent or guardian information if the beneficial owner is a minor, FinCEN ID, exempt entity, full legal name and date of birth, residential address, and form of identification and issuing jurisdiction. Check the exempt entity box if the beneficial owner holds its ownership interest in the company exclusively through one or more exempt entities, and the name of that exempt entity or entities are being reported in lieu of the beneficial owner's information. If checked, provide the legal name of the exempt entity. After that, you've come to the end. Remember, you can always refer to the instructions, which are available in PDF format. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Good luck with your LLC and stay tuned for more valuable insights.